Uh, we're back. We're going to Ulaanbaatar Falls, and we will pass this very small road here. There was a road before, but it was destroyed because of Sendong again. Brad is now driving on cycle and riding. We'll just try to see how far Ulaanbaatar is because we haven't been here for a long time.
Can you pull the string of my bag? Right.
Um, this is
This is quite
this is a rough.
dangerous. The road is a little bit dangerous, but for us it's normal.
Speak.
Speak.
Where'd it go? Oh, oh.
Shut up.
Look.
I hope we can.
Okay, it's right. So we're going up now. Oh, we're here. We're here. We're here, Red River Valley. It's there, it said here. Here's our reception. Red River Valley.